Righto, get some heat going in that. And then this morning's brekkie is going to be brekkie wrap with some bacon and eggs. A bit of, what do we got? I think they're cherry tomatoes. You're going to chop a mushroom up in it. And a couple of spring onions. Mix it all together with some eggs. Mate, this is knockout. Going to have to give this a crack one day on one of your camping trips. This is going to be a wicked one. But we'll get some heat going in this fry pan first, and then we'll go from there. Getting a couple of things all ready to go. Whole spring onions, these go in anything. Really nice thing to added flavour. Just cut them up nice and small. Really nice extra flavour these things are. I love them. So I'll cook this up at the same time as the bacon when the bacon goes in. That'll be enough. Don't waste them. Righto, get old mushroom. Put a bit of that in it. And a bit of oil. Get some of that in a bit later on. Yeah, it's looking good down there. And then a couple of cherry tomatoes will go in it. And the good stuff. The stuff that goes sizzle, sizzle with everything else. Good old bacon. A few too many pieces in there for this, but we'll give that a crack. Let's bring me plate over. Over there. You could buy some diced bacon if you want, if you don't want to worry about cutting it up. Get a handful of diced bacon from the supermarket. But I like the cut up stuff. Dice him up. Oh, this is going to be great. Righto, that's pretty much most of the ingredients. I'll get a few eggs in it in a minute. Keep that bit of bacon for later on. Righto, let's see how this is going down here. Oh yeah. Let's just get every day going. Look at that, smell that. Oh, plenty you could smell it. Spring onions, they're just amazing. Love the smell of those. Righto, get the rest in. Need that fucking grated cheese in it too to make it fucking stick. Well, you've got one very important bit of an ingredient. Got some grated cheese on it too. This is when you flip it all over, mix it all up. This is going to help the wrap stick to the top of it. A bit more, I reckon. good stuff. Get the eggs in it. Oh, this is such a good dish. Wait for the egg to cook. And we'll put some cheese on top. Wrap breakfast. And that's just the perfect cooking fire too. You know, not too hot. You don't want to burn your breakfast, especially your breakfast to start the day off. Don't want to burn it. Oh, look at that. Egg's almost done. Righto, now I'm going to put the cheese on, wrap on. Plenty of cheese, love it. Brekkie wrap. And just wait for the cheese to melt a little bit so it becomes sticky. And you can chuck whatever, any extras, you know, you sort of want to put in this. You might put a, you know, nice sausage in there or something like that, chop that up into bits and pieces to go with it, but this is filling enough on its own. This is a great meal and super tasty. But you want to don't want to spread it out too much. You want to keep it a bit smaller than the wrap, which will make sense in a minute. Right, that's all looking pretty damn good. Let's have a taste test. Well, mate. All right, let's put that on. Listen to that. Oh, that's so good. Just let that cheese stick to the wrap so it all goes over in one go. Righto. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Get all the bits. Now, with the wrap, you just want to brown it a bit. You don't want to burn the wrap. Just want to brown it up a bit. And then that'll go on the plate. We'll cut him up. Bit of mayo on it when I get up there. Righto, let's get this up. Oh yeah, that's looking great. So that's not going to tip over. And then this will go on my plate. Look at that. Go up there, a bit of mayo on it. Mate, this is sensational. Look at that. Just drizzle a bit of mayo over the top. And wrap him up. These are feeding him amazing. Look at that. They're just absolutely beautiful. Get into one of these. Oh my God. That is Finalizing great. Brekkie wrap with all the bits and pieces in it. Put whatever else you want in it for a bit of extra flavour, but Finalizing this doesn't need any more. It is amazing. Brekkie wrap, right on the Murray River. How good's that? Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Hooroo. Bye.